Imagine waking up in a city that knows where you're going before you do. Your commute pre-routed, your temperature already adjusted, your social score calculated from your behavior this week. That's not science fiction. That's the promise and the risk of AI designed cities. What can artificial intelligence really design better urban life? Or are we building cities optimized for control, not community? Let's find out. AI is already shaping cities, from traffic lights to predictive policing. But the deeper shift is in how we design from the start. Algorithmic planning means streets drawn for flow, parks placed for coverage, and housing types selected based on demand models. Sounds smart, right? Until you realize people aren't data points and cities aren't equations. Some smart intersections reduce crashes while pushing pedestrians underground. Some predictive zoning increases efficiency while killing corner shops. Optimization has a cost. It forgets that cities aren't just networks, they're neighborhoods. When AI gets involved in city design, something shifts. We stop designing for freedom and start designing for flow. Efficiency becomes the goal, but efficiency for whom? Take facial recognition in public spaces. It can speed up access, but it can also monitor protests. Take AI traffic systems. They reduce delays, but also track location, time, and behavior. The logic of AI is clarity, not ambiguity. But people are messy, cities are too, and that's a good thing. Let's look at Songdo, South Korea, often called the world's first smart city. Built from scratch, it has sensors in every wall, RFID on every bus, and garbage disposal systems that analyzes waste per household. There are no traffic jams, no missed pickups, no graffiti, and yet Songdo has a problem. People don't want to live there. Why? Because it doesn't feel alive. Critics say Songdo is sterile, predictable, and controlled. And when you walk through its perfect blocks, you notice what's missing: noise, surprise, community. The city works, but it doesn't breathe. Cities are full of contradictions, chaos and coordination, friction and flow. AI loves clarity, but community is murky. An algorithm might say, remove benches to prevent loitering. But what if loitering builds friendship? It might reduce noise complaints by flattening nightlife zones, but now the street is dead after 6 p.m. Even smart housing platforms like Sidewalk Labs face backlash for assuming people want to live optimized. We don't just need smarter cities, we need cities that know when to stop being smart. The problem isn't just technology, it's who programs it and why. Surveillance cities don't fail because they don't function, they fail because people resist being managed. In Shenzhen, in Neom, in Toronto's failed quasi project, residents pushed back, not against sensors, but against being subjects. Designing cities for data makes life legible to institutions, but legible space is where culture lives. And that's what AI doesn't know how to measure. If this video is challenging your ideas about what makes cities work, consider subscribing. We go deep into the hidden forces shaping urban life and how better design can mean better futures. AI can help us see patterns, spot blind spots, simulate options, but it shouldn't replace public debate, democratic process, or human judgment. Instead of asking AI to design cities, maybe we should ask it to support communities in designing themselves. Imagine tools that map walkability, not just roads. Algorithms that elevate underserved voices, not optimize profit. Urban tech that respects privacy and still improves infrastructure. It's not about stopping AI, it's about remembering what cities are for. Cities are humanity's greatest invention. They're not problems to solve, they're places to live. And the best ones don't manage us, they reflect us. Let's make sure that as our cities get smarter, we stay human.